Hello and welcome, my name is Chris and welcome to the Exercise for Core Strength and Stability 12-week program. Welcome to the tutorial. This is where we're going to be talking about core strength, core stability, your body, how it works, how it's built, and so on and so forth. In these few videos, we're going to cover these 4 bullet points. We're going to look at the differences between core strength and core stability because there are slight differences. Sometimes people use core stability exercises when they're actually doing core strength exercises. It's a bit of a technicality, but it's something that we can just sort of smooth and iron out and just help understand a little bit better. We're going to look at how your core's made, so what it's made up of. Then we're going to look at how it works. So we're going to look at some of the, or understand the sort of underlying principles about what exercises we're going to choose and why. And then we're going to look at how your body moves. So obviously the core is the center point, and then we have the limbs that come off it, and we're going to understand a little bit better on how we put the two together and how we use the two together, because they are there to do sort of opposing and different jobs, but we need to understand what those jobs are so we can therefore get the most out of the exercise that we do and get the most out of our body in everyday life, be it, you know, walking to the shops or, you know, running a marathon or whatever it may be. So that's just a quick introduction about what we're going to cover. So what we're going to do now, we'll just get straight into the first bullet point and look at the differences between core strength and core stability.